Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this video. On today's video, we are going to be making a very delicious jollof rice. This is the video right here. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious jollof rice from scratch. It looks like the one is selling each right. Let's get started. Into my pot, I place my already washed chicken and turkey, and then I'll go in with some seasoning cube, some thyme, dried onion, curry powder, chopped onion, bay leaf, and then I will mix that together. Then I'll put aside to marinate for a few minutes. Into my empty pan, I'll place my already washed um, rice. I wash the rice with salt and water. Then I'll put that in the oven to sit for 20 minutes. While the chicken has marinated, I put on the fire, allow it to release its juice before adding some water and pepper. So I cover that and allow that to cook. And while that has cooked, it's time to fry the chicken. Into my pot, I pour some vegetable oil. While that has heated a little, I went in with the chicken and turkey. Fry that to golden brown. So this is the chicken and turkey. So while that has fried, I will remove from the fire. Next, I'll be frying the sauce for the jollof rice. So I reduced the vegetable oil and went in with some chopped onions, tomato paste. Then fried that a little. Then I went in with some curry powder, my blended pepper mix. I'm going to stir that and add some seasoning and little chicken stock because I will be dipping the chicken into the sauce before the jollof rice. I will dip very well into the sauce and allow it to penetrate into the chicken. Then I will remove from the sauce. Once that is done, I'll go in with the chicken stock and then add more spice, a curry powder, bay leaf, seasoning, and then the rice. I will stir that together. You see the way the rice is looking, that is how I want it to be, and that was why I placed it in the oven. So I'll stir that into the sauce and then taste and add some water. So it's so nice. After tasting, it was like, oh my. So allow that to cook. While it was almost dried, I cover with foil paper and allow that to cook to dry. So after some minutes, the rice was ready to be devoured. You can see that, right? It's so yummy, so yummy. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, anytime you come across my video, help me share. Help me share. There is love in sharing.